An exponent is written in a raised position to the right of a number or an expression. So this 3 is written to the right of x and it's raised up. This is the exponent. X we call the base. To read this, we read it as x cubed, or x to the third power, or x raised to the power of 3. The important thing is the exponent tells us how many times the base is used as a factor. Now let's see what that means. We'll look at it the next page. If I have x to the third power, or x cubed, and x is the base, that means that I write x down 3 times and multiply. Okay? Y to the 5th means take the base y, write it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and multiply. Now I'm also showing you on this page the different ways that you can write multiplication. Multiplication can be written with a multiplication times sign, or with a dot, a raised dot, or bracket, so you kind of have your option how you'd like to write it. 5 squared, the base is 5. That means take 5, write it down twice, and multiply. And 5 times 5 would be equal to 25. Now the base is 3 and the exponent is 4. 3 to the 4th means take the base 3 and write it down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and multiply. So 3 times 3, that's 9 times 3, 27 times 3. So 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. The first law that we're going to work with is called the law of multiplication. Now this is extremely important. First of all, you have to be multiplying. Secondly, you have to have the same base. You cannot do this if you don't have the same base. You have the same base. All right? So you write the base down and you add the exponents. So a to the m multiplied by a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. Same base, write the base down, add the exponents. We're going to look at a number of examples on this. Let's check out the first one here. Now I want to simplify or multiply, doesn't matter much what the directions say, and I have multiplication. You can see that from the times sign. I can also see that I have the same base. Now just for a second, let's ignore the law and expand. So that means x squared is x times x, and x to the 4th is x times x times x times x. Now let's count them up and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would mean that the answer to this question would be x to the 6th. To use the law of multiplication, instead of expanding like that, which takes a long time, then all I do is write the base down and add the exponents. So that's x to the 6th.